In this video, you'll learn how to enable reverse wireless charging on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. By following these steps, you will be able to charge other devices wirelessly using your phone's battery. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel 8 Pro and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you've opened the settings, scroll down the list of options until you reach the battery section. Tap on Battery to access various power features available on your device. In the battery menu, look for the option labeled Battery Share. This feature allows your phone to wirelessly charge other compatible devices. Before proceeding, check that your battery level is sufficient for this operation, as reverse wireless charging can consume a significant amount of power. Next, activate the reverse wireless charging feature by enabling the battery share toggle. This action will turn on the functionality that allows your Pixel 8 Pro to share its battery power. After enabling this option, take the device you wish to charge and place it on the back of your Pixel 8 Pro. It is important to align both devices correctly for efficient charging. If either device has a thick case, consider removing it to ensure a better connection. Once positioned correctly, the other device should begin charging automatically, indicating that the connection has been successfully established. During the charging process, it is advisable to monitor the battery level of your Pixel 8 Pro. Reverse wireless charging can lead to a significant decrease in your phone's battery life, especially if the device being charged requires substantial power. After the charging is complete, remember to turn off the battery share feature to prevent any additional drain on your battery. Carefully remove the connected device to avoid any potential damage or disruption to the charging process. Confirm that charging has stopped properly before proceeding to use your phone normally. This feature works best with devices that are compatible with wireless charging. Keep in mind that charging speeds may vary based on the devices being used and their respective power needs. If you experience slow charging or any issues, double check the alignment and compatibility of both devices. It is also prudent to ensure that your Pixel 8 Pro is not running low on battery before initiating this process, as it can impact your phone's performance during usage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.